They don't look like us, but researchers say that pigs may someday help us save human lives because their organs are very similar to ours. Neonatal pigs are being genetically modified to become human organ donors. Some of these modifications include expressions of the human complement regulatory proteins. This process is called xenotransplantation. Xenotransplantation is any procedure that involves the transplantation or implantation into humans of either live cells, tissues, and organs. By this, in the past decade, there have been so many more advances in the process of transplanting organs. These genetically modified pigs are available with genes to protect them from human immune response. This ongoing and encouraging trials of pig pancreatic islets into diabetic non-human primates have been very economical and shown with positive results.
The pig is our best solution in finding an alternative transplant options. It is the most genetically modified animal in terms of modifications. The development of genetic strategies where there is no risk of retroviruses being transmitted is crucial in order for this research to take the next step. The first step is ridding the pigs of the retroviruses, one of the biggest dangers that leads to not only a higher failure rate, but further problems in the subject's health. Researchers have successfully found techniques in order to remove viruses in only 37 neonatal pigs so far. This technology would be known as CRISPR technology. CRISPR technology consists of a combination-like pair of sat-nav and a pair of scissors. The sat-nav finds the right spot in the genetic code, and then the scissors perform the cut. Xenotransplantation is the method researchers are using in order to solve this transplant crisis. Xenotransplantation is the process of grafting or transplanting organs or tissues between members of different species, which is what researchers are trying to successfully complete in both pigs and human organs.
Despite the advancements, there are still questions and concerns about the use of pigs as organ donors. One of the main concerns is that a pig virus may infect humans, but the issue may be solved by a new line of pigs that don't appear to transmit the virus. The retroviruses that are found in pigs could prove to be fatal to humans if they made their way into the body. It could then cause an epidemic as they spread from human to human. Retroviruses known as PERVs are a permanent part of the gene and appear to be impossible to remove. Another major issue is the immune response or the rejection of a pig organ, which is stronger than the rejection of a human organ. But researchers say they are solving that problem by genetically modifying pigs, which they plan to clone. One way that scientists have found through gene editing technology, CRISPR, they can knock out the pig genes that trigger the human immune response. With some pigs that have been tested using transplanted kidneys, the results show that pigs weren't PERV-free, though researchers have suggested that PERV may not be harmful to humans. It will be up to the FDA to decide whether pig organs with PERVs are safe enough to transplant into humans. If it happens, routine pig-to-human transplants could transform healthcare by simply increasing the supply. Organ transplants wouldn't have to be emergency surgeries requiring planes to deliver organs and have surgical teams scramble. Organs from pigs can be harvested on a schedule and can have surgeries planned for exact times during the day. Researchers believe that human testing is 3 to 5 years and that transplanting pig organs into people could be an accepted procedure within a decade.